So here we are with part 4 of how to use LiveBinder, and you may remember that I just put a little video into a Google slideshow and inserted it into one of my documents here on one of my tabs. So I'll just, we're a bit rushed at the end, I'll just show you hopefully how that works by going to the presentation mode, and here you can see it opens in my galleries. If I go to my documents, then we could write text here. This was my Google slideshow, and by progressing it, I see the video, and hopefully it'll open up fairly quickly. And it's really as easy as that. So if you do find good videos that you want to include, you can either include them directly or give them a context with a Google presentation. So we'll close that, and I'll now go back to my editing of LiveBinder. Next thing I want to show you is how to add a Google Doc. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Tabs, and I'll add a subtab, and I won't leave it as New Subtab. I'll call this Google Docs 2. I think I may have called the last one Google Docs. So, and we'll save that. And then I'm going to open up Google Docs. So I think I've got one open. Let's check if it's the right one. So here it is. I think I've got this one open. So this is a document I'm creating for my LiveBinders demonstration. And of course, in a Google Doc, you can insert images, and you can get them from you can upload them from your own files. You can actually add them directly from Google search. So if I write portfolio in there, I can search for images. There's a portfolio. I can click on it, select it, and will it want it? Yes. So we can have our image directly from Google Images in there like that. I can also say something like, what's the weather like? And in a Google document, you know, I hope you know, that you can insert a hyperlink, and we'll put in that. We could test the link, but I'm confident. And we say OK, and we'll save now. And I'll just give this a document. Let's give this a name. Like that. And say OK. Now what I need to do, of course, is get the URL of this document. So first thing I'm going to do is publish it. Yes, I'm sure. And then the link to the published document is there. So I'll copy that, and we'll go back to our LiveBinder, and we'll put our link in there. And I could choose the different text layout, shall I? Okay, let's choose this one. And we'll click Insert. And you can see that the, just save that and close the edit menu. And you can see that the document that we made is in there in our LiveBinder. And final test. What's the weather like? Will it? Won't it? Yes, it takes us to the website. So hopefully you can see just how powerful this LiveBinder portfolio can be. As I said, if you get the structure right, you can really make it a very useful portfolio indeed. Don't forget to give everything a context, talk about what it is, and in a moment I think I'm more or less done. I'll show you how to upload files, what happens when you upload documents and files from your own computer. But for now, what is this? Part 4 of using LiveBinder. That's enough. I'll record another one in a moment.